This tutorial will walk you through how to schedule a K through 12 tutoring appointment. The first thing that you'll need to do is access this web page using the link that has been provided to you. Do keep in mind that you will need to log in with your Wayne State Access ID and password in order to access this page. Once you've arrived here, the first thing that you'll do is select the grade and the subject matter that you are seeking support for. For example, let's say you have a 7th grader who needs support with science. You can click this grade 6 through 8 science and then continue. Next, you'll scroll down and you will select the date and time that works best for you. For example, you can see the different dates that have appointments available by looking at the bolded. We see that there's availability for Friday, April 2nd, so let's select that. And then you have the option to select the tutor if you know the tutor that you want to work with, or you can have it automatically select the tutor for you by leaving this blank. So we can leave it set to anyone, and then let's say 10:30 for our appointment. Now, from here, do know that all appointments are by default 30 minutes in length. However, you are welcome to schedule an additional appointment if you would like a bit more time, but you will need to schedule that separately. Once you've selected your date, time, and tutor, you can continue to scroll down, and the last thing you'll need to do is complete your personal information. So you can fill out your name, we can say JJ, and your email address, phone number, and address. So this is also that you can get confirmations and different things of that nature, and you can also leave a note for the tutor as well. So I'll leave this blank for now, but you will not be able to book your appointment without completing this. Okay, finally, you will put the name of the student who will be receiving the tutoring. So we can say Patty. What grade level is the student in? So we said that this was a 7th grader. And then you can indicate the specific topic that the student needs help with. So maybe we can say understanding the human brain. This will help our leaders to better prepare for your tutoring session. Finally, you have the option to select whether or not you prefer to receive text message reminders, but you can leave that blank if you so choose. You'll still receive an email confirmation. And then last but not least, you can click book and you will receive a page that says your appointment has been scheduled.